On the 18th of August 2024, vigilant troops from the 4th Battalion of the Border Security Force (BSF) in Meghalaya thwarted a significant smuggling attempt, seizing cosmetics and clothing items worth Rs 58 lakh at the East Khasi Hills district along the Indo-Bangladesh border. The contraband was intercepted as smugglers attempted to transport it to Bangladesh. When confronted by the BSF personnel, the smugglers fled, taking advantage of poor weather conditions and darkness. The confiscated goods have been handed over to the customs office in Punusla for further processing. In a separate operation, the 110th Battalion of the BSF Meghalaya seized 2 Bangladeshi wooden boats and 4 steel boats on the Omyam River in Shela as Bangladeshi smugglers tried to enter the Indian territory to illegally extract gravel and stone.